Here at the University of Edinburgh, we offer online master's programmes spanning a wide range of clinical fields, from general surgery to paediatric emergency medicine. But how can you learn surgery and other clinical subjects completely online? The answer lies in our tailored approach, designed specifically for medical professionals. Whether you're an early career doctor wanting to gain skills in internal medicine, a nurse looking to specialise in critical care, or a surgeon preparing for exams, our programmes are crafted to enhance your skills and deepen your expertise. Each week you'll have online lectures, take part in discussion boards and access reading resources. This blend of learning tools makes sure you get the knowledge you need and stay abreast of clinical best practices.
This Edinburgh emphasis on practical and evidence-based knowledge often means that what our students are learning and discussing in the virtual classroom one week will likely inform the work that they do in hospital and other healthcare settings in the following week and thereafter.
Our reflective teaching model encourages you to analyse and elevate your own clinical practice. Discussions with peers worldwide bring diverse perspectives to complex case studies, enriching your learning experience.
You learn something from all the other students, and the method of teaching is so different, and you can apply it to all different topics and different subjects and careers. It's amazing, and that's one thing that I really liked.
The curriculum did really fit well into my residency program, so it was all the more interesting to read, go back onto the word, apply it, and it also helped me to prepare for my residency exams.
Our dedicated teaching staff, experienced both in clinical work and in teaching and supporting students, are pivotal in your journey. They guide you, challenge you, and celebrate your milestones. Graduating from our programs will help you move forward in your career, equipped to make a significant impact in healthcare anywhere in the world. Ready to transform your career? Visit our website to explore our full range of online programs in medicine and healthcare. Your extraordinary future in advanced clinical practice starts here at the University of Edinburgh.